If you ever want to repair some of these cheap losi transmitters, for example to repair a broken antenna that your son has ruined, it's not that difficult. The only hint is to open all the screws, and there are some, and they're all quite easy to open except of one. One the guys have hidden here behind the label. If you don't know it, you will try a lot of times to open the thing. If you know it, just remove the label, open the plug. You can glue the antenna if it's broken behind very easily, and you have a working transmitter again, because it doesn't pay off to send this to repair. It's 60 euros. And of course, it works afterwards. Why shouldn't it?